All right, friends. So I just posted that link to a gentleman talking about his um, uh, creating a Google Classroom YouTube page, but I wanted to show you something that was a little bit different than what he had. His video is about 2 years old, and using the current YouTube platform, I'm going to go up here to this little video camera that has a plus mark. I'm going to click on that, and it's pop up, and it's going to say upload video or go live. I want to upload a video. So while YouTube Studio works and thinks, it's going to ask me if to drag and drop a file I want to upload or select the file. And please ignore my cluttered drive. It is a little crazy. So here is all of my Zoom uploads, all of my Zoom classes that I've recorded. I'm going to click on 4th grade. I'm going to click on the QuickTime Player version. Yours will be different if you're using a Windows. I can definitely walk you through that one if need be. But I'm going to click on the one where it has both the video and audio together. I'm going to click open, and it's going to upload and do its thing. So down here on the bottom, you can see how far it has uploaded. So it's just uploading that file into the cloud, and then you need to give it a name. So I'm going to name it 4/2/20 4th grade meeting. So now that it's uploaded, it has to process, and so it condenses down, which is what makes uploading the video into YouTube better than just uploading the file onto Google Classroom, is that it condenses that file into a smaller chunk, and so it's not quite as large or as overwhelming for a computer. So one thing that it does do is it asks if the video was made for kids, and yes, it was made for kids. This will prevent ads as well as notifications, and it will also prevent the videos from being monetized, where you could make money off of your YouTube videos. For our purposes with the school district, we want to check mark it, yes, it's made for kids. If you decide you want to start your own YouTube channel, you can definitely have it monetized. There are tons of people who make quite a nice little living off of YouTube videos, which is completely shocking, but they do. So back here at this screen, video elements. So this is like adding an end screen, adding different things into the video. And I'm not worried about that part. That's definitely something we could work on later. But right now, we're just trying to get it at least uploaded so the students can see it on Google Classroom or on the YouTube channel itself. So then we're also so here it's going to ask us if we want to save or publish. I always click unlisted for my grade meetings because I want the students to be able to get to it, but I also want to control who gets to it. I don't want it to be a public video, but I also don't want the kids to not be able to get to it. So we're going to leave it as unlisted, meaning those who have the link can view it, but also those who are subscribers can view it. Now, these videos that I'm making for you are public, but the ones for the children I'm leaving as unlisted. So then I'm going to hit save, and it's going to start processing. So I'm going to leave this right here, and we will jump back once it is completely processed. All right, so now that it's finally uploaded, here it is in my list of videos. So now I'm going to come here to this little square with the play mark, and I'm going to hit play, and here is my video. Ta-da! So now I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to grab that URL, copy, paste, copy, or Control C, or Command C, and then we're going to come over here to Classroom, and I am going to drop it into my classroom, add YouTube, throw it here, hit search. This is my video, and we're going to add. All right, my friends, so that's how you upload a video to YouTube and how you put it on Google Classroom. Let me know if you need any help. If you can, please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel so that we get notifications whenever I finish a video. Have a great day.